Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is de Broglie hypothesis proves matter waves. Matters waves. First, to understand how de Broglie comes. In 1923, de Broglie says photoelectric effect, Compton effect, and the Pay production effect not only exhibit particle natures, not only exhibit par- particles natures, they also behaves wave natures. Means de Broglie proves photoelectric effect, Compton effect, pair productions not only show particle natures, they also show wave natures called waves natures called dual nature. What is dual? The word dual come from means two. Dual means two. Means the de Broglie hypothesis show the particles like photoelectric effect, Compton effect, and the Pay productions not only show mean radiations. Radiations not only show particle natures, they also show wave natures called dual natures. Means this proves wave natures also by Davison and Germers. Davison and Germers. Okay, understand? Now understand what is matter waves. Wave associated with the material particles are called matter waves. Material particles. All material particles should also display a dual waves particle behaviors. Mean a dual wave particle, dual two wave and particles. Material particle. What is material particle? Material particle means pair production, photoelectric effect, Compton effect, radiations. Means these are material particles. All material particles should also display a dual wave and particle behavior. Wave and particle behaviors. Waves and particles behaviors. Wave particle duality present in light must also occur in a nature. This is a waves, and the highest magnitude exists in waves. We call this highest amplitude matter waves. Okay, understand? Now we prove matter waves experimentally, means mathematically proves matter waves according to special theory of relativity. E square is equal to m naught square c की power 4 plus p square c square. This is we also prove in next lectures how these relations come. Here we only use for proofs matter waves. E is energy, m is a mass of photons, c is a speed of light, and m is a momentum, and c is also speed of light. Rest mass of photon denoted by m naught is equal to 0. This equations A, we obtain this because this is equal to 0 after putting m naught is equal to 0. And scattering square root. After square rooting, cancel, square is cancel, and E is equal to PC. E is equal to PC. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. According to Planck quantum theory, E is equal to HF. This energy is also known as energy quanta. H is a Planck constant. And value of H is equal to 6.63 multiplied 10 की power minus 44 joule second. Planck received the Nobel Prize in 1918 for the discoveries of energy quanta. Comparing equation 1 and 2, because E and E is equal, then we compare the equations 1 and 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2, we obtain PC is equal to HF. And this is wave equation. V is a velocity, F is a frequency, and lambda is a wavelength. F is equal to V over lambda. We divide lambda with a V and put in equations B. We also write PC is equal to H, and using value F is equal to V over lambda. And for the special theory of relativity, V is equal to C, mean velocity is same as compared to speed of light. Velocity of speed of light. Understand? We put here. We obtain this. PC is equal to H, C over lambda. C cancel. C cancel is equal to P over H over lambda. We also write lambda is equal to H over P. This relation known as the de Broglie relations. Connect the momentums of particles with the wavelength and wave vector of the wave corresponding to the particles. Okay, and we again explains lambda equal to H over P. If a particle has momentum P, then lambda is the wavelength associated with the Planck's and is gave relations de Broglie. Okay, understand?